Good morning! How are you guys? Kumusta ang lahat? Good morning everyone! So it's a morning smile. So kumusta kayong lahat guys? How's your day? How's your morning? I hope everyone is have a good day and everything is okay. So yun lang guys. Ayun, nakaano na tayo guys. Early ako ngayon guys. Medyo may lakad na naman ako guys. Today, may appointment na naman si Inday Cho Anyo Cherries. So yun guys, ang update natin. So yun, nakaligo na naman ako guys. Medyo maaga-aga ang ligo natin. Kasi may lakad nga guys. So kailangan natin So yun guys, ang update natin early in the morning. Kumusta kayong lahat guys? Kumusta ang araw nyo? How's your morning? How's your day? So, ayun. May tira pa tayo, guys. Ayun. May tira pa tayong tinapay, guys. Kain tayo, guys. Nagpo-coffee pa ako, guys. Sabi ko sana, hindi na sana ako kakain ng rice. Sabi ko maglakad pala ako, guys. So, yun. Napa-breakfast tuloy, guys. Coffee lang sana ako, guys. Pati tinapay. So, yun. So, kayo dyan, guys. How's your day? Mustang morning update nyo dyan? Nakapag-coffee na ba lahat? Nakapag-coffee na kayo, guys. Ayun, si Inday Joan nyo, guys. Dito, guys, feel fresh na tayo. Nakaligo na tayo. So, feeling, na talaga, guys. Feeling, ready na talaga to, guys, to talk. feeling confident na talaga, guys, magharap sa, sa camera. Charis! Kasi nakaligo na, guys. Ayan. So, yun. Feeling mabango na tayo. Feel fresh. So, yun lang guys. Yun lang update natin early in the morning. Nag-coffee pa tayo. Mainit pang coffee natin guys. Thank you so much. And thank you for watching guys. Have a good day and keep safe everyone. God bless us. Thank you. Thank you.